so here's your Bitcoin daily chart. Um, Bitcoin entered a bit of a retrace over here. Remember, each one of these candles represents one day. So about 4 days earlier, Bitcoin hit our, I'll zoom in, 0.5 retrace from this recent run-up that we had with Bitcoin. Now, this isn't a perfect cup and handle, but however, this seems to be what Bitcoin is doing. It would have been better for it to end here. However, we had this recent spike, which kind of blew out the cup and handle. But however, we can kind of say it almost exists. Remember, nothing's perfect in technical analysis. However, this here would have been the line that we were looking for in the cup and handle. But because of this candle, it kind of distorted everything. But however, we still kind of have ourselves a cup and handle developing. We have this rounded bottom, which is our cup, and then we came down, as you can see, to our 0.5 Fibonacci retrace perfectly. And now what we're looking for is this price action to get to previous all-time highs. We're looking to see basically 61,788 as our previous all-time highs. 61,680 is kind of what we're hitting on Coinbase. That's kind of what's developing here. Now, let's take a look at our indicators. Overall, I mean, we're still kind of playing out a bearish divergence here on the MACD. That's definitely playing out. RSI, again, also hitting a bearish divergence. We really need the bulls to show up, get that price action above here just to negate the bearish divergence. Otherwise, further downtrend could be expected. Stochastic on the daily is looking like a bearish cross, so got to kind of keep an eye on that. The bulls really need to come in, get some volume. We got 5 hours left, 6 hours left on the daily. We need volume to come in, push this price action up, is what we're looking for. Now let's check out our Bitcoin dominance chart. This is going to tell us a pretty big story. So understand that what Bitcoin dominance is showing is how much money is flowing into Bitcoin. On the grand scheme, yes, we have basically almost a head and shoulders pattern. Not perfect, but we really do. Look, right here is a death cross. We got the 50 going below the 200 SMA. And typically when Bitcoin did that in the past, we had a crazy, crazy altcoin season. That's what we're looking for again. We have the 200 SMA acting as a strong ceiling of resistance. If this Bitcoin dominance happens to break above our 200 SMA, we got a nice Bitcoin season. We could see Bitcoin hit highs of over $100,000. However, look, we got a lot of bearish action going into our Bitcoin dominance. It looks like money is not flowing into Bitcoin. And again, what we really want to see is for dominance to drop, Bitcoin price to stay stagnant. That would have an insane altcoin season. And you're talking month-long 100x gains possible. So, listen, all eyes on Bitcoin. Have an understanding that Bitcoin looks bearish. It looks bearish on the charts. Looks bearish on the daily chart. And really, what that just kind of indicates is that a bigger move is potential. Not saying we're going down, but however, based off our technicals, I would have to assume that altcoin season is possibly happening. Stay tuned, be prepared, and all eyes on Bitcoin.